Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we're talking about the Dollar General clearance event, a very thrown together last minute sort of event, and this might be very advantageous to some of you who don't have a lot of luck at the Dollar General. And I feel really bad for the staffers that have to get this all going. So it is taking place from September the 1st to the 4th. So Friday to the Monday. So it's 4 days, which is unique. And this is the 5th one we're having this year, which is also kind of strange. So at a couple of stores that I visited, and yes, I went out and got fresh new photos. They're already starting to put those tables together and getting things staged. So starting on the 1st, which is Friday, around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning in the app, if you scan one of the barcodes, it's going to be, say it's an item for $1 at a 50% off store, it'll be 50 cents. If your store is 70, it'll be 30 cents. For the purposes of this video, we're looking at 50% off matchups, along with we're just looking at clearance and the POG items, but specifically clearance section items. This event could possibly be an opportunity for many of you. A lot of shoppers are just passing on this. They have Dollar General clearance fatigue. So if you never have any luck, you might be able to score really big. Got this table for like $30. That's the beauty of this event. If you could do me a huge kindness and like this video before we dive in, I would be so grateful. And if you are not subscribed, if you want to subscribe, I would also really appreciate that. Completely free to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's hop into this. The first item we're looking at is this Febreze single auto forest clip. We have a $2 coupon that is in fact attaching. So this product will be $1.50 starting on Friday. So with the $2 coupon at a non-updated store, it's 50 cents overage. At an updated store, it's a free item. So that's pretty good. Okay, so now we have this Gain Island Fresh 45 counter. It is on clearance, guys. It's like $6 and some change. So with the $2 digital, it's going to drop down to $1.37 at a 50% off store. That's a fabulous price point for one of these Gains. Now, this is a product I really want to track down a couple of. This Big Mama, the 107 count of the Moonlight Breeze. I think they're discontinuing this bottle. We have a $3 digital, so it'll be $4.17. And as you can see for most of these slides, I'm providing you the barcode, so if you wish to scan them, comforts of your home, throw this video on a television and just open up the Dollar General app. That's how you're going to be able to load all of your digital coupons. We have this little Arm & Hammer, the 75 loader. We have a $1 digital. That guy's dropping down to $3.50. I'm not sure if you could still load that $1 digital though, guys. That's the problemo. And then our friend, the Swiffer XL, with the $2 digital, it's going to be $6.32. Many stores still had a good amount of these, so they are not popular with shoppers. And then to go with that, we have these wet packs at 50% off, and subtracting that $2 digital, it'll be $2.50. And that $2 Swiffer coupon is of a one-time use, so if you wanted to get the kit, you can't get the pads obviously as well, or these dry cloths. These dry cloths, 50% off, and the $2 digital will be $3.40. So you really got to pick and choose wisely what you want to buy. Now we have my absolute favorite, the 12-pack of the Finish Quantum. We have a $1.50 digital, so that's going to drop this guy down to 72 cents. So, I mean, I definitely would stock up, load that digital coupon. That's a fabulous price point. This is an interesting product, fabric microbial spray. At 50% off and subtracting that $2.30 digital, it's going to be $1.20. Definitely something to have for your household. Moving it along, we have this little 4-pack of Sparkle. I think I don't know why that's still in the clearance section, but it was there. But $2.97, so definitely buy your 4-pack of Sparkle and sparkle all the way out of the store. And then my favorite, we got some Lysol wipes. We have a 75-cent digital, so that guy's going to be 82 cents after everything is said and done. That's not a bad little price point. Definitely would stock up on that guy. And then we also have this 3-pack, and the 75 cent is also attaching to this product. So it's going to be $2.85 for a 3-pack. So very good value right there, especially with back to school. If this is on your kids list, you need to get some Lysol wipes. Another great product is this little Comet for $1.57. You know, if you were going to do a 5 off 25, this is definitely a meat and potato product to just throw into your basket. We all need a little bit of Comet. On Sunday, will we be getting some Febreze coupons? Yes or no? $1.45 for the single watermelon and then $2.47 for this double pack. I hate paying for this sort of stuff. So if digital coupons show up on Sunday, possibly a deal. I don't know. But the summer scents are on clearance. We also have this little lavender candle for $2.70. I don't know if you're anything like me, but I have a big Sterilite tote full of candles. And whenever it's a birthday or something special, you know, somebody I care about, I always like to gift candles. And we have the Head and Shoulders. This is a conditioner. 2 of them for $5.85. Subtracting that $3 coupon is $2.85 for the 2. So really good price point. Another shampoo deal is with the Tresemme. We have a 4 off 2 digital. It's going to be $1.40 for the 2 after the coupon and the clearance price. So that's a very good price point for this shampoo. And apologies in advance, we have some Flintstone super jelly beans for the kids, some multivitamin. My UPC is totally out of focus, but with the 50% off and the $3 digital, it's $1.72, which is a really good price point. Looking at some 50% off Lego kits, $4.72 or $5.50. These look like boys related Lego kits. And then just to show you guys the UPCs, these are nice and in focus. Definitely be on the lookout, especially for Christmas right around the corner. $5 for a Lego set. Yes, please, and thank you so much. And the Frosted Mini Wheats, we have $1 off 3 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 of these boxes with the digital coupon, it'll be $4.02 for the 3 or $1.34 per box. In this video, we're going to blast through the food. We have this Crunch and Munch for 45 cents. So it's on clearance for 90 cents right now. Double, triple check those expiry dates so you're not buying something that's really expired, but this seemed to be good for a couple of months. And then we have the Clover Valley. This is the 2-pound box for $1.05 of the spaghetti and the elbow macaroni as well. If you remember from the last clearance event, we were getting it for a penny, but it seemed to magically all appear in the clearance section now. And we have the Clover Valley Kosher Baby Dills. It's a very tiny bottle for 90 cents, and it'll be 45 cents starting on Friday. And this was in the clearance section as well. The Kellogg's pita crackers for $1.90, and the Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand pancake mix, for 90 cents. That is definitely a stock up price with the cost of groceries right now. We have the M&Ms for $2.47, and this is the sharing size, which is a larger bag, and some sort of like a biscuit and gravy mix for 45 cents. And the final products we're looking at is some brownie brittle Reese's for $1.35 and a big box of the Lorna Doone cookies for $2.70. You know, if you don't have a lot of luck with the Dollar General clearance event, because this is so last minute, this might be your event. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.